Hey guys, I am Ayush Rana, a medical student studying in KMC Manipal, and yeah, I'm back at home. My first year is over, and this is a vacation period, so I'm making videos. So today I'll be reviewing my MacBook Air as a long-term review because I have had this device for more than 1 year now. So let's talk about it. So my MacBook Air has M1 processor with 8 GB of RAM and about 256 GB of storage, and it is the base model. Yeah, it is the base model, and it cost me 83,000 rupees. So the use case of this device for me was After Effects for animation and stuff, Premiere Pro for video editing. Also, to some extent, I used Final Cut Pro for video editing. I used it for online classes, which is Microsoft Teams. I used Anki, which is a spaced repetition tool. It helps me remember stuff that I cannot remember. So I used it for photo editing. Lightroom is the main app that I used for photo editing. Then I also used it for productivity and script writing in Notion. The last thing that I used it for was making PPTs. So yeah, that was the basic use case of this device. And did it stand up to my expectations as I used it for all those things? So definitely it exceeded my expectations, and it helped me do whatever I want to do without any bottlenecking in the software and hardware department of the technology. If I needed to do animation, it had After Effects working very well, and I made a full video out of this MacBook Air. I've posted it on my other channel, that is Orion. You can go check it out. I'll put the link to that channel in the description. Yeah, it is a very good video. It's about cholesterol. Nextly, I had to make videos, so I made the videos that you can see in my channel from this MacBook Air. I use Premiere Pro mostly for that. It is a pretty good laptop for editing 4K videos. Yeah, it handles it pretty well. Nextly, I needed to do some college work as I'm a student, and yeah, making PPTs and working around documents is very easy in it as it is a laptop. Any laptop can do that. And yeah, from my experience that I used this laptop for 1 year, the only drawbacks that I face were mainly two drawbacks. First one, that it got a little bit hot while working on projects such as making a video or animating or editing photos. Yeah, it does not have a fans. It will get hot. In my previous video, I bluntly said that it is thanda or cold, but that's not the case. It gets hot, and pretty hot on the thighs or to the hand. The second drawback that I found in this MacBook Air was the storage. It has 256 GBs of storage, and that is sufficient for anyone who is doing just general school work or college work, making PPTs, having to store documents such as PDFs of books and other stuff, and it is perfectly fine for those people. But for me, I am a video editor and I need more storage because the videos that I edit are almost 10 GBs and more than that, even more than that. Also, the storage of the apps itself makes it about 150 GB of storage that is used up in my Mac. I'm only left with 100 GBs of storage, and this means that I can only edit one video at a time, and once I'm finished editing the video, I have to delete all the assets of that video, and I have to free up space to work with the next video. So yeah, I can only work with one video at a time, and that is a letdown, but it's fine for me. But basically, it does not have any drawbacks, and it is 100% value for money. So should you buy this laptop? And I would say that if you're a student and you're looking for a laptop in the range of 80,000 to 90,000 rupees, and you just wanna do normal college stuff, and also if you're planning to do any video editing or animation and photo editing, So then this is a good laptop for you and you should go for it. Thanks for watching the video, and if you want more such videos, please subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, please like the video. Yeah, bye.